United States Department of Agriculture logo. Cheesy bean tostadas. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 5 minutes to prep, and 7 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Place 12 corn tortillas on a baking sheet. Spread 2 tablespoons of fat-free, low-sodium refried beans on top of each tortilla. Sprinkle a 1 tablespoon of reduced-fat shredded cheddar cheese on the top of the beans on each tortilla. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven. Bake for 7 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Serve 2 tostadas. The CACFP crediting for cheesy bean tostadas for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is 2 tostadas. CACFP crediting for beans as a meat alternate is 1.5 ounces equivalent meat alternate and 1 ounce equivalent grains. CACFP crediting for beans as a vegetable is a 1/4 cup vegetable, 1/2 ounce equivalent meat alternate, and 1 ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.